Aloha, dessert fans! Ready for a tropical getaway without leaving your kitchen? Today, we're whipping up some vibrant and refreshing vegan desserts featuring the tropical trio, mangoes, coconuts, and passion fruit. These flavors scream sunshine and happiness, and the best part? They're all dairy-free and totally guilt-free. So grab your blender and let's create some fruity bliss that'll transport you straight to paradise. Tropical fruits like mangoes, coconuts, and passion fruit have been staples in warm climates for centuries. Mangoes, known as the king of fruits, originated in South Asia and have been celebrated in cuisines around the world. Coconuts have been a source of food and drink for coastal communities from the Pacific Islands to the Caribbean. And passion fruit, with its vibrant flavor and seeds, is a tropical gem loved for its tartness. When these fruits meet the world of vegan desserts, magic happens, bringing fresh, bold flavors without the need for dairy. For these tropical vegan desserts, we're keeping it simple. You'll need ripe mangoes for that juicy sweetness, coconut milk or cream for a rich, creamy texture, and fresh passion fruit to bring that tart, citrusy zing. Other essentials include maple syrup or agave for natural sweetness, and maybe some lime to boost the tropical flavor. There are endless ways to combine these tropical fruits into vegan treats. Try a mango coconut chia pudding. Just mix chia seeds, coconut milk, and mango puree, and let it set for a refreshing, nutritious dessert. Craving something more indulgent? Whip up a mango coconut cheesecake using a cashew base and coconut cream with a sweet mango topping. The tropical flavors are perfect for raw, no-bake desserts that are as easy as they are delicious. If you're ever in Bali, be sure to stop by Alchemy, known for their raw vegan desserts featuring tropical fruits like mango and coconut. And if you're in LA, the Butcher's Daughter has a killer passion fruit tart that will make you dream of palm trees and sunshine. And that's how you create fruity bliss with a tropical twist. Whether it's a creamy chia pudding, a tangy sorbet, or a decadent cheesecake, these vegan desserts are bursting with refreshing flavors. Perfect for summer or whenever you need a taste of the tropics. So go ahead, grab those mangoes, coconuts, and passion fruits, and treat yourself to a little tropical indulgence. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Aloha, and enjoy!